So this gets a little bit more complex, so we want to try and simplify this trig expression. So you should know that 1 over cos x is sec x. The way that I tend to remember them is whatever the first letter is the last letter of it. So 1 over cos is sec, so c is the last one. So 1 over cos x is sec x, so therefore 1 over cos squared x is sec squared x. So we now have sec squared x minus 1. And then we have the Pythagorean identity. Pythagorean? Who knows? It's pronounced in some way, which is sec squared x equals 1 plus tan squared x. So if this is 1 and this is 2, we're essentially going to plug 2 into 1. So you're going to now get 1 plus tan squared x minus 1. So we've replaced this with this. And then obviously 1 minus 1 cancels out. So now therefore this would be tan squared x.